My name's Lauren Heisen. I'm the founder of Heatline Freeze Protection Systems, and I would like to welcome you to this month's video vlog. When using a submersible pump in a well or in a lake, one of the ways to provide freeze protection is to allow the water in the pipe to drain back after the water pump, the submersible pump, supplies water to the pressure system. In other words, if you have a pump in a well and your home needs water, it will call for water, that pump will come on, and it will push the water through the polyethylene pipe to your building, and it will charge your pressure system, and when it reaches its capacity, which is 40 to 60 psi normally, it will shut off. In a drainback system, it requires what we call a snifter valve or an air inlet valve, so that when the pump shuts off, a valve opens at the top of the water pipe and it allows air in, allowing the water to drain back, very similar to if you held your thumb on top of a straw. When you hold your thumb on top of that straw, you can lift the straw out of the glass and it will hold that water in there, but the minute you release your thumb, the straw empties. In a drainback system, we have that valve on top, and it allows water to come inside, and it allows that drain pipe to drain all the way back to the water pump. At the water pump, there's usually a hole in the pipe just above the pump so that it can bleed out and evacuate. The idea behind the system is that if there's no water in that pipe, it can't freeze and it can't cause a problem, no matter what the temperature. And in some cases, that's good. The downside is if that snifter valve or anything in that system were to fail, and that pipe freezes, there's no way back. In other words, if it's mid-January in the northern hemisphere and it's 30 below zero or perhaps even colder, and that pipe between the well and your home freezes for any reason, if there's a water lock or air lock or anything in that pipe that causes a freeze, you're not getting your water again, not till spring, or unless you pay and have somebody come and jet that pipe out and clear it so that your system will work again. So at Heatline, we don't like them for that reason. However, we do understand that they have their place. And we also recommend a heat line in them. Heat lines can be installed in a dry system, and in this case, this is what we would call a dry system, where the water evacuates from the pipe and the pipe is empty of water. Where old technologies required water to be in the pipe to prevent that pipe from overheating with a heat cable or heat tape in it, we have no concern of that because our cables are self-regulating. So even though a drain back is put into effect, a heat line can also be installed in there, and it need not even be turned on. It can be there as a safety measure or to guard against the possibility that if at some point that pipe ever froze, the heat line can be turned on, and within 5 to 20 minutes it will clear that pipe so that your system will work again. So that's typically a drain back application. We hope that you found this video vlog useful. We will continue to release a new video vlog monthly, so be sure to stay up to date with our email newsletter, subscribing to our YouTube channel, or following us on Facebook or other social media. And thank you for watching.